Hello guys, welcome to GH Crypto Guy on YouTube. Another video. It's been a while, and from the last time I posted a video till now, about 1,600 of you have joined. I'm at 2.6k subscribers. That's huge. I want to say thank you to everyone who has subscribed so far and has the notifications on. If you don't have notifications on yet, turn it on. What are you waiting for? There's a lot of content coming your way this month and the rest of the month. For those of you watching this channel for the first time or for the second time and you still haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button. It's very important, helps this channel grow and helps me bring you more content. So this is a new series called Binance 101, Binance Trading 101, where I'll be looking at very basic things that have to do with the Binance platform. So over the couple of months where I've been away, I get a lot of text on Telegram. I've downloaded Binance, it's too complex, I don't get it, what's going on? Like, how do I use this platform? Because there's so much going on the platform, mobile app, desktop app, the web app, whatever it is, I've got you covered. So Binance 101 or Binance Trading 101 would be exactly that, a content series that would take you through the basics of Binance. And we're going to start from beginner level and then we're going to grow to a more professional level together. So I hope you like this and I hope it helps. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Binance Wallet, where you are going to see that there are different wallets on the Binance platform. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how to move your money from your spot wallet to your P2P wallet and from your P2P wallet to your spot wallet. So welcome back to the video. Remember to subscribe, and so in this video, I'm going to be showing you two things: how to move your money or your crypto from your fiat and spot wallet to your P2P wallet on Binance, and from your P2P wallet to your spot wallet on Binance. I'm going to show you this in two ways. These two ways include, first, the desktop web app, or should I say your normal website interaction with the Binance website. And then finally, I'm also going to show you how to do that with the mobile app. So the timestamps in the description will take you to the desktop tutorial, or it's going to take you to the mobile tutorial. So choose whichever one you want, but I advise you watch both so you know how to do both very well. So let's get into the tutorial. And tutorial, in this particular video, I'll be showing you how to transfer your crypto from the spot wallet to the P2P wallet. Now, a lot of people have moved away from using their normal spot wallet to using the P2P wallet lately because of the regulations that have happened in Nigeria and because P2P on Binance has become very popular. So if you watch this channel, a lot of people have been asking me to do a video on how to switch, or should I say move funds from spot wallet to P2P and from P2P wallet to spot wallet. So as you can see, this is the desktop tutorial. The mobile tutorial follows after this. Check the timestamps in the description box to find the mobile version if that's what you're looking for. But already, if you use Binance, you should know that Binance has different wallets. We have the overview that shows you all the wallets and the amount of money in it. We have fiat, spot, margin, futures, P2P, and pool card vanilla options. So we're going to go to the overview side of the Binance wallet. It's just going to show you everything about your wallet. So I currently have money in my spot wallet, which is at 98.54. And this is my P2P wallet. It's 0.000. For those of you who don't know what Binance P2P wallet is for, it's for doing transactions on the Binance P2P platform. So Binance has a P2P platform. There are so many videos about Binance P2P on this channel, and I'm going to link some of them in the description so that you can go watch them. Okay, so I'm going to go to my spot wallet, since that's what I'm going to be moving the funds from. And I'm going to be moving BTC. So I have 0.00111174. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to find the transfer button at the top. Remember, it's at the top. And I'm going to look for fiat on the side that says from. And then two, I'm going to look for P2P. And then I'm going to look for BTC. Or I could just type BTC in here. And I'm going to use my max amount. I'm just going to move everything and I'm going to click on confirm. So after I click on confirm, it should transfer successfully straight to Binance P2P wallet. Now I've moved to the P2P wallet. Let's see if it's here. Voila, there you go. $52.05 worth of BTC transferred, no transaction fee, nothing. So if I want to trade, I could go ahead and trade on P2P with this balance. But let's say you have money in your P2P wallet and you want to move it to spots to trade. What you have to do now is, on the P2P side of things, you need to find the transfer button, or should I say the transfer link, next to the currency you want to transfer. So I want to transfer BTC. I need to go find BTC, go to transfer. P2P, from P2P to spot wallet, already in there. You don't have to do much. And I'm going to select max, all of it, all the 52.05 USD worth of Bitcoin. And I'm going to click on confirm transfer. Now it says transfer succeed, right? So there you go. I have been able to move my BTC to my spot wallet. Let's go back to my spot wallet. And there you go, the BTC is back. So it's very simple. If you have any questions about the desktop tutorial, ask in the comment section. If this is where you end the video because all you came here for was for the desktop tutorial, please remember to subscribe, because I do a lot of helpful videos like this that usually help people a lot when it comes to Binance, crypto, and every other thing that you want to know about the digital currency space. So remember to subscribe, and let's move on to the mobile aspect of the video. This is the mobile aspect of the video, and in this particular aspect of the video, I'm going to show you how to move funds from your spot wallet to your P2P wallet, from your P2P wallet to your spot wallet on mobile. So you can see the Binance app interface, and they're going to move to wallets. So I'm going to go to my spot wallet, and I'm going to look for the currency I want to move, which is USDT. I have some USDT there. So I'm going to click on the transfer button. So you can see there are three buttons here: deposit, withdraw, and transfer. I'm going to click on transfer. And now I'm going to select where I'm moving it from. So from spots, and then I'm going to select to P2P. It's already selected as P2P, but I'm just going to select it again so that you know how to do that. And then I'm going to look for the currency that I want to send, so USDT. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on max, and yeah, I'm going to click on confirm transfer, and it's going to move the funds to P2P. So let's go back to the overview, look for P2P, and go to USDT. As you can see, I have 1.47996768, exactly the amount I sent. So with P2P too, you can transfer back to your spot wallet. I'm going to click on transfer. I'm going to transfer now, and I'm going to look for USDT. It's already P2P wallet to spots. So I'm going to click on max, and I'm going to click on confirm transfer. And if I go to my spot wallet and I click on USDT, I should see exactly the same amount back there again. Also no fees. Very simple, very easy. So this is how you do it on mobile. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section. Hope you liked that tutorial. I hope it was clear enough. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll respond as soon as possible. Besides that, remember to subscribe, and remember to suggest any kind of content you want me to do, and I'm going to do that for ya. So see ya in the next video.